What's up, butterflies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Brittany, and pretty much all I do is makeup videos, makeup tutorials, and maybe in the future I'll do some haircuts, you know, like some demos or something, but as of right now, it's just been makeup tutorials and first impressions, and that's what we're doing today. I have like 6 products that I'm about to test out right now, and it's gonna be a really simple look. So if you enjoy videos like this, then just keep watching, hit that like, and subscribe before you go. Okay, so I have right here, this is actually in my boxycharm. This is the L'Oreal multitasking eye lip cheek palette. Has these 3 shades. This is the Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold Dust. So, yeah. And that's literally, I'm just going to use a primer, a little bit of concealer under the eyes, and I'm also going to be testing out this Revlon Candid concealer, a highlight, and mascara with my, that's it. So, you know what I'm saying, like when you're in a hurry and you're just trying to get out the door real quick, but you still want to look put together, I feel like these are the right products to reach for. I'm just going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Glowlock Illuminating Primer. And this claims to have a glow finish, preps the skin, and it's supposed to be smoothing on your face. That's what the benefits are. So it doesn't like blur your pores or anything like that. It's not, oh, and it's hydrating. Sorry, it's hydrating and smoothing for your skin. So we got that. And eyebrows already done. I did the Maybelline Tattoo Studio, so we're just gonna go ahead and start with this palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead with my Luxie Duo Side eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with the gold dust right here on my eyelids. I was debating on using eye primer, but this is like supposed to be a cream to powder formula, so I'm just gonna see how it goes without the primer on my eyelids. So chilling. For all those people that are out there working their butts off during this COVID, I'm glad y'all probably glad it's Friday, huh? Okay, and then I'm gonna take the other side of the brush and go in with this shade right here in the crease. Alright, so we got, I'm gonna try with my finger a little bit and see if it's more pigmented. A little bit. Actually, I think it's more pigmented with my finger. Yeah, I feel like it's working better. See, it's just like very subtle, so it's cute though. And I'm gonna use my finger with the pink right here in the cheek area. And then I'm probably gonna use my brush to blend it out. I'm gonna use it like that. So the pink is pigmented. And actually, I'm gonna try to see like what this looks like with a contour brush. Where's my brush? One moment. Okay, got the contour brush. Let's see what we got. This is just my Andrew contour brush. Okay. Maybe a little bit on the forehead. Jawline. Yeah. Do. Okay. So we got that, and that, and that, and that. And I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Lash Primer Plus. So, this is like a white base formula. Just gonna prep the eyes, eyelashes. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Your girl forgot already. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this pretty vulgar little cute, so cute. This is the packaging. This is a little eyeliner. It's called the Ink Gel Eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Moda lip brush, and we're gonna try this out. Hopefully it's not a hot mess. Let's see if I can create a wing with this little brush here. I'm not sure. I mean, that's what that's looking like. Okay. I'm used to using the liquid eyeliner. So this is different. I wonder if you can use this on the waterline. Or like close to it. It kind of seems like the formula that might, like, yeah, I can tell. It seems like the formula that's gonna go up. Like, wow, I can't believe it's like that. It's supposed to be a gel eyeliner. What the heck? Maybe I can use the brush a little bit, like, pat it down. I'm not sure. Maybe if I use a different brush, I don't know, but you know, it doesn't come with a brush, so that's just what I was guessing. So let's go in with the Revlon Candid concealer in Fair. Go right here in the nose area. This is for like the no foundation days, you know? No foundation days. No foundation days. Use my Hank and Henry Beauty sponge, makeup sponge. Getting all kinds of notifications on Facebook right now. That's why I have it muted. Because let me tell you, it'd be really annoying right now. Okay, there's that, and then I'm gonna go in with my Ciate London coconut setting powder. Smells so good. And we're just gonna kind of bake. Right there, right there. Okay. Next, I'm gonna be using this new Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Got this in my boxycharm as well. Either last month or the month before that. So. And usually, like, my lashes, like any mascara, I don't really have issues with any mascara unless it's just really a dried out bad formula or like a really clumpy, but most eyelashes, all, or mascara, all makes my lashes look good because they're already long. They're just really light, like they're like blonde, so can't really see them unless I have mascara on. A little bit on the bottom. And that's like just like one coat. And see, that looks good. I feel like definitely use a lash primer. Alright, so I'm gonna sweep away the powder. Alright, sweeping the powder away. I already can tell you I do not like the eyeliner. It's a dud. The packaging and like super duper cute, but every time I open my eyes and I'm not, you know, I'm gonna be sweating a little bit because it's like 80 something degrees outside and it's just gonna smear. It's just already smearing and I'm not even outside. I don't like that. Oh well. It happens. So that's what I'm here for, to tell you. Don't buy this. Don't buy it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass. This is vanishing highlight stick. Super cute. I'm just gonna apply it like right here and then on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my brush, my highlighting brush. Wow, that's beaming, baby. That looks good. Okay, see, now we're getting somewhere. I'm not flipping you off, I promise. Yeah, that looks good. I'll have to look up, I'll post the prices down in the description box and let you know the prices on all these products. So usually I already have jumped ahead and done that, but I done forgot, so that's okay. So the concealer's good. I've already tried this setting powder before, so I knew that was gonna be good. And yeah, so like I really like this trio palette too. I feel like for 3 little, you know, simple products, it actually gets a few things done, you know, and out the way. Like we got the eyes done, the blush, and we're about to do the lips. So this is a Beauty Vault in Bow Babe, and I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use this after it gets low. Like it doesn't push up, it doesn't. I'm gonna have to Google it. Because it looks like it's plastic. Like, how are you supposed to sharpen that? I have no idea. I'm going to go in with this again, the Coconut Grove. So, I mean, it's cute for, you know, the shirt that I'm wearing. It's got a nice, like, gold. Simple, but put together. And it's so cute. So, I like it. I like most of the products I use. Eyeliner, no. But, yeah, this is cool. This is cool. I'm going to be using this, so. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think, if you've tried any of these products or what products you plan on purchasing. See you in the next one.